Bitcoin came down to a very important support level, guys. And are we going to see one last rally for Bitcoin before we are topping out and see that correction that we have been waiting about? That is going to be the topic of today's video. We have a lot of different charts that are actually quite interesting because Bitcoin is definitely at some crossroads, combining with some different charts and some different derivatives exchange data. So I think we can actually give quite a clear image on what is happening with Bitcoin right now, what is the most likely scenario, and which levels you need to be watching in order to validate or invalidate these outcomes. Guys, all about that in today's video. With that being said, my name is Jeroen. Welcome to the Blockchain Today, the channel where you subscribe for daily crypto videos. Before we are jumping into Bitcoin, make sure to scroll below this video, hit the thumbs up button. That is very, very much appreciated. And lately you guys killing it because we are almost having 20% of the viewers liking the video. So that's really dope. YouTube loves that. They love to see that because once they see these high numbers, they think our community is the best, which is in fact the case, and they will push this video to a broader audience. So that's really helpful, guys. Now let's jump into Bitcoin. And we have this red area right here, which basically shows that Bitcoin most likely will correct during that time, or the correction will, the probability of a correction will at least increase. That's based on a lot of different things, but time is the most important factor. But what we can see right now is that Bitcoin came to the top of this smaller rising channel, then we broke back into the middle rising channel, and right now touching the support of that rising channel. But it's not only that support, it is also right here the horizontal support, which was former resistance. Right here it's better visible on this chart. We had former resistance. Right now Bitcoin is still holding that level. So this is actually quite a crucial level where Bitcoin is trading in, because if we were to break below that support, it means we are breaking back into this channel, which definitely shows that Bitcoin is in for a further dump, as also we have bearish divergences on the daily time frame. So bearish divergences are basically a divergence between price and momentum indicators, but they are only confirmed once we break a certain support. So the moment, as long as we are holding a certain support, then these bearish divergences don't mean nothing. If you are shorting Bitcoin based on one bearish divergence or based on multiple bearish divergences, it really doesn't make sense. If you look at the previous bull market, Bitcoin seeing bearish divergence after bearish divergence after bearish divergence, and the price just continues to go up. That's what Bitcoin does. It ignores these things. And in the bull market, the momentum indicators also work slightly different. So if you see a bearish divergence and you are thinking of taking profits or shorting Bitcoin, wait until we break a key support level, which right now we haven't done so. So this is basically the first chart. Then we have this chart. Here we can see it a little bit more clear in this, actually potential megaphone pattern. We had a sideways range right here. We broke out to the upside. We had a beautiful long position right here, also with WhaleAlerts. We took profits at 30,600, which was beautiful. Then the price is coming down. And right here, we are touching the support again. But while touching this support, going to the funding rates from whaleportal.com, we are seeing the funding rates coming down. The average funding fee for US dollar margin is half of what neutral would be, but it's still positive. But the average funding fee for coin margin contracts is actually negative. In a bullish market, this is quite bullish, I have to say, especially when we are touching support, because we are touching support with the funding rates coming down, with on the 1 hour time frame a bullish divergence. Let me show you what I mean, guys. We have a higher high in the relative strength index. We get a purple dot, and I'm going to share with you exactly what this means. A purple dot on this indicator. That means that there is a bullish divergence, but most likely we will make another dip. We do make that other dip and we get a yellow dot, which is beautiful. That's a regular bullish divergence at support with negative funding. Good sign, very good sign. Then we go to here, to the 4 hour time frame, bring up momentum indicators. We also actually see something nice right here, because we have kind of a double bottom formation on the relative strength index. We did have a buy signal with a hidden bullish divergence. We got that small rally, but then eventually came down to touch support. But as you can see, the momentum indicator came really down compared to the previous price action. Right, we even came below these levels right here. When Bitcoin was trading right here, the relative strength index came below that, which basically means that there is a big reset going on. Then when we have a look at this chart, this is the stablecoin dominance chart, and I've been talking about this as well, as we are approaching a resistance level, and whether we can break or get rejected from that level is a very important sign for Bitcoin. Because if we were to get rejected, it means that Bitcoin makes one more push to the upside before we are touching support right here. But if we do break to the upside, then yeah, most likely Bitcoin has topped out and we will see a further correction. But just about with the dots where we were talking about, here we got a purple dot as well, which basically means that the chances that we are going to see something like this to get eventually a yellow dot is increasing. So that means that we could do something like this, and then eventually write this. Then we get a yellow dot right here, which is a regular divergence. Then this created a divergence, and then we are going to see a massive rally in this chart, which basically means a massive correction in Bitcoin, which also basically mean most likely no money will go to alts. I think, guys, there will come a correction in Bitcoin, and this chart is definitely showing that, because it looks like we are definitely oversold on this chart. And once this chart is bouncing, we definitely see quite a dump in the Bitcoin price. So guys, this is what I'm watching. I'm watching this period for a potential top. Then we are going to see a new low in Bitcoin very, very soon. And we are going to try and nail that low on the daily over on WhaleAlerts. So if you are not a member of WhaleAlerts, make sure to join WhaleAlerts. You can do so for free just by joining Bybit or bitget with the affiliate link down below. I would highly suggest to sign up on Bybit, of course. Bybit is by far the best exchange out there. Right now, they also have the biggest deposit bonus going on. You can get a $30,000 deposit bonus if you sign up with the affiliate link down below. But yeah, for WhaleAlerts, you just need to have an account and deposit a minimum of $100, and then you can submit your user ID right here, email address and Telegram handle, and then I will put you into that WhaleAlerts Telegram channel. If you already have Bybit or you're living in the United States and it's difficult to go to Bybit, you also can join with bitget. For that, you go to top cryptocurrency exchanges, you click at bitget on view, then you sign up using this link. Visit bitget, you click on that link, there you sign up to bitget, and then eventually you can submit your user ID after meeting the deposit requirements, of course. You can submit your user ID, email address and Telegram handle, and then you can also be put in to WhaleAlerts. So guys, this is what I'm watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If so, don't forget to smash up that like button. Very important right here. And I want to wish every single one of you a beautiful day, and I hope to see every single one of you in the next video.